This is our Lalco BOD incubator. This is a GNB model complete stainless steel. This is the main on-off switch. Digital is working. Show the temperature. Its present temperature is at present 28.5. We have set the temperature 5 degree. This is a heating switch. This is cooling switch. This is a light switch. When you require a light, please on the switch. Compressor is on. This is double door. This is acrylic door. This is cooling and heating fans.